Mount Vesuvius, a volcano near the Bay of Naples in Italy, is hundreds of thousands of years old and has erupted more than 50 times. Its most famous eruption took place in the year 79 AD, when the volcano buried the ancient Roman city of Pompeii under a thick carpet of volcanic ash. The dust poured across the land like a flood, one witness wrote, and shrouded the city in a darkness like the black of closed and unlighted rooms. 2,000 people died, and the city was abandoned for almost as many years. When a group of explorers rediscovered the site in 1748, they were surprised to find that underneath a thick layer of dust and debris Pompeii was mostly intact. The buildings, artifacts and skeletons left behind in the buried city have taught us a great deal about everyday life in the ancient world. In the slideshow, I will take you to a virtual tour of ancient Rome's most spectacular achievements in architecture and engineering, from the Colosseum, to aqueducts, to giant amphitheatres. Begun between AD 70 and 72, the Colosseum could seat 50,000 people and measured 620 by 513 feet. The Colosseum's three levels are encircled by Doric, Ionic and Corinthian columns. Gladiators, animals and soldiers engaged in all types of combat within the Colosseum. The Colosseum could even be flooded to allow naval reenactments to take place. This triumphal arch, AD 312, celebrates the Emperor Constantine and incorporates many previous works of Roman art. The center of the ancient city of Rome, the Forum was used for public meetings, religious spectacles, legal courts, commerce and more. One of the best preserved and most architecturally sophisticated Roman monuments, the Pantheon has remained in constant use since its construction. Now 2,000 years old, it still boasts the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Begun in 312 BC and extending almost 330 miles, the Appian Way was the main road from Rome to southeast Italy and beyond. Constructed from blocks of lava or lime, laid over heavy stone, Roman roads followed extremely straight paths. Located 60 miles from Tripoli in Libya, Leptis Magna was a strong ally of Rome and the birthplace of Roman Emperor Septimius Severus. The amphitheatre was built in AD 56. Used to transport water to population centers, most Roman aqueducts consisted of underground pipes. Occasionally they crossed valleys using a system of stone arches. Built between AD 98 and 117, this Roman aqueduct carried water 10 miles into the heart of Segovia, Spain. It is one of the best preserved works of Roman engineering. Running 73 miles from coast to coast, Hadrian's wall protected the province of Britain from barbarian invaders to the north. Roman soldiers began construction in AD 122. Housestead was one of many forts built along Hadrian's wall to protect the Roman Empire from barbarian tribes in northern Great Britain.